Hello guys, and welcome to my Revit tutorial channel. So today I will be sharing some tips for beginners on how to use Revit as a beginner. So if you're an architect, you're a civil engineer, then this video is for you. So I will guide you through creating fantastic designs using Revit and help you understand the interface of Revit. So sit back and let's learn together. So once you open your Revit, I'm using Autodesk Revit 2021. Once you open your Revit, this is what you see. This is the first thing you see. Now this is where your recent files will be. Any project you work on, this is where they will be in Revit. So once you open this place, by your left you will see models, you will see families. So what we'll be using, or what you'll be working on as a beginner, is models. So you click on models where you have new. So we have open, we have new. You click on new. Once you come here, they will tell you to choose the template you want to use for this project. So you come here and you pick the template. So for this project, we'll be using metric architectural template. You always use metric architectural template. So you see it here, you click on it and then you say OK. So once you open your Revit software, once you open it, this is the interface you see. Here by your left we have the project browser, and here you have the properties. Now the project browser shows you the levels, shows you your floor plan, your roof plan, your elevations, and everything you need to know. Then the properties. Here in the properties, it shows you it shows you edit type. In the properties, it's where you can edit any elements you use in this software. So like for instance, you pick a wall, come to properties and edit it and change it to whatever you want to change it to. So that is what properties is for. So now, as a beginner, once you open your Revit software, you see this arrow, these 4 arrows here. These are your elevations. So you ensure to not mistakenly delete it, because if you do, your elevations are gone. So please take note. So this is your north elevation, your south elevation, your east elevation, and your west elevation. So the first thing you do as a beginner in Revit, you come and change your levels. You come and set your levels. Now to do that, you go to any of the elevations here. But normally I do like to go to the south elevation. So you double click on it. So this is what it brings for you. So you tap on this one. Okay, for instance, let's say you want to build a bungalow, do a bungalow design. So you tap on it and edit and put your DPC either 450 or 600, whatever you are using for the project. But for this project we are using 600. You put your DPC 600. Once you type it, it goes down. Then you click on it again, you right click and you say create similar. You click on create similar, it comes out, and then you type your 3,000, 3 meters, yes. You say okay, and then you drag it, and then you click, you escape, you click on it again, and then you create similar. You right click to create similar. Once you create similar, you now put your 450 for your beam. 450, you enter, and then you drag it. So this is how to set your levels. Always set your levels before you begin a project. It's very important because it helps you to be able to edit a wall or edit whatever you want to edit. You know which level you want to go to, and you know where you want to make corrections on. So your levels are very important. So ensure you create your levels before beginning any project. Okay, so your level 2 is your floor plan. Normally I do name it so that you don't get confused. You name it floor plan. You said yes. So here we have your floor plan. Level 2 is your floor plan. Level 1 is your DPC level. Level 4, level 3 is your beam. So once you are done creating the levels, setting up your levels, you go to level 1. Now we want to start creating our floor plan. So you go to level 1 and then you click on walls. Now once you click on walls, you click on properties. It's either you click this one or you pick this one, whichever way, it's still the same thing. So I'll be clicking here, properties. So we come here now to set our walls. So you can see that what is here is 200 millimeters. So we edit. We don't want 200, we want it in 225. Let's say our wall is 225. We click on 225 and then we say OK. Then we come here and we change our height. If you remember when drawing the levels, our DPC was 600, not 8,000 meters. So not 8,000 millimeters. So we change this here to 600. Okay, to 450. Okay, 450. Because our floor is still correct. So this is it. And then we come and draw our floor plan. So let's say, okay, we want to create do something very fast. If you want to create a one bedroom apartment, so our kitchen, our bedrooms. So let's say this is what we want to create. Then we put our entrance. This is it. This is what you are creating. This is our floor plan. Let me show you. This is the 3D. This is what it looks like. So you see, this is your DPC. That's why I said always create your levels. It's very important to create levels before beginning a project. So now we are working according to our levels. You see, this is it. The reason I put 450 for the DPC is because we still have to cover it with the floor of 150, making it 600. So now we go to our floor plan. We want to put floor on the ground. So we click on floor. You see here, floor. Click on floor. And then we pick a line. This is it. We pick it. And then we draw. Always zoom in, you can't really see what you are putting on line. Always zoom in, you know, to see well. So that is all. You see we are done. And then we click on the finish button. Say good. This is how it appears once we are done. You go back to your 3D. Is either you view it from here or you are Resolve it from here. This is what your 3D looks like now. You see, we have covered the floor on the PC. So now we have to start raising our walls for our floor plan. Okay, so now we go to walls again. We click on our wall, and then if you notice, when I place this, it's showing endpoints. It's giving me this wall center line. That shows that our walls, we are drawing it center to center into it. So to change that, if you don't want to use center to center, you can come here, location line, see it here, you click on it, it says on wall center line. So wall center line means it's drawn in the middle. Have you seen it? Then if you want to change it, you click on it again. This is co-finish line. It's almost the same thing, center to center. Then let's say we want to change it to finish face exterior. Finish face exterior. You see how finished face exterior is. So for this project, we also have co-face exterior. It just picks the outer exterior walls. So for this project, I'm using wall center line. We'll go deeply into this once you understand the basics of what I'm saying. So we go to our wall, we pick our wall, we want to draw our floor plan now. So we draw it, we draw. Now I would have, okay, let me show you something. Draw. You're supposed to draw it for all these places. Draw. The only place we have not drawn is this place. Now one of the reasons I won't draw here, because this place is our entrance, porch. So we don't need a wall. We don't need a wall blocking any area. The place is open, so we don't need to put a wall there. Let me show you in our 3D. Okay, in our 3D, this is what it looks like. Why? The reason it's like this is because we didn't change the height of this wall when starting the project. So don't panic. What you do is you go to your floor plan and you pick that wall, and then you change it here where you have in the properties where you have 450. You click on it and put our 3 meters. We enter. Once you have changed it, let me show you what the 3D looks like. Now this is it. So you see, we are working with our levels. That's why I said the levels is very important. Your levels are very important. So this is what it looks like. If I show you in the elevations, you see where the wall ends, stops. This is exactly our 3 meters kept aside. So now we want to put our beam. Okay, so now I will be showing you how to put your beam. So for our beam, we go to level 3. Once you click on level 3, you can see here that nothing is showing here, it's plain. So what you do is you come to your properties. We have properties, you go to range base level, and then on it, this is on none. So here you can put show. If you click on level 1, it's level 1 that will display here. For instance, it's the floor. So it's not the floor we want to see. We want to see the floor plan. So we click on the floor plan. So the floor plan is here. So this is where we will draw our beam. Click on the wall. You ensure that the height is 450. It's correct. And then you draw. Now we are going to draw on our entrance, because now this is where we need it, the entrance. Draw on our entrance. So same applies to any work you are doing. If a place is open, you don't put wall. Instead, you put your beam alone. Draw your wall. So this is it. You escape, and then let's see what it looks like in 3D. So you see, this is what it looks like. You see your beam. Okay. So now we are done. We are done creating our beam. This is the elevation. Let me show you what elevation looks like. So you see our levels are complete. So our level 4 is our roof plan. We will put our roof. So now I'll be showing you how you put your windows, doors. So to put your doors, from here, you see, you have door wall, you have door, you have window, and you can find that in architecture. Okay, it's already in architecture, that's why it's displaying this. So you click on your door, double click on your door. So architecture, then click on the door. Once you double click on the door, you come to properties and then edit it if you don't like the height and the thickness or the height and the width of this door. So you can see the height is 2.134 meters and the width is 915 meters. So what we do is we duplicate this wall if you want to make changes, so that the change you are making won't affect this main door. So you duplicate, name it, and then before you edit. So please always ensure you duplicate before you make changes to an element. So you click on the height, you make it 2.1 meters directly. Click on the width and we make it 900. Say okay, and then we come and put our doors. You want a door here, put it. You want a door here, put it. You want a door here, put it. Then in our entrance, let me show you something. In our entrance, we have put our door. You escape and then you click on your 3D. See, this is what it looks like. So if you don't want this, okay, we'll put down doors now. So go back to our floor plan. You want to change this door, you don't want this type of door for entrance, you click on it, then you click on the arrow here. Click on the door. Now, this is the door that comes with Revit. So you have, mostly people get components. Like for me, I have a component in my system, a Revit component, where you find all the doors you want, you find the different types of windows you want, and many more. So if you have that component where you have different doors, you load. Once you load, you bring it for view. You click on Revit City, because that's the component I have here. You click on doors. So here, these are different types of doors. So now choose the one you want. You see, we have a double door. Click on it. You have changed it to double door. That's my door. And now this is what my door looks like. So, but the one that comes with Revit, the doors that comes with Revit are these ones you see here. These ones. So that's how it is. You now go to the floor plan. Want to put windows, click on the windows. Come here and change the type of window you want to see there. 3 different types of windows with different measurements for it. So let's say I want this type of come here, pick the height, pick the width. Don't put in our windows. So see, this is our windows. So we have our windows now. So now I will show you how to put your fascia. Now, for you to put your fascia, you go to level 3. You click on architecture, you click on components. You see, place a component, model in place. So we'll be dealing on model in place. Click on model in place. You say OK. Say OK. And then you come to sweep. You see here, you see extrusion, you see blend, you see revolve. You see sweep, you see swept, blend, void forms. So what we'll be using for our fascia is sweep. You click on sweep and click on sketch part. You sketch. Come on, sketch on it now. Sketch. You will say OK. want to view it on east view, you want to view it on west, you can as well change it. So let's see it on east first. So this is what it is. Come here, we are doing a concrete fascia. Concrete fascia is 450. Here you are going to draw how you want your fascia to look like. So let's say the fascia, I want the fascia to be like this. Then I want to curve this piece. So what I'll do is I'll come and change drawing to put it in this arc. Once you are done drawing the fascia and you really want it to be finish. See how it is. Finish. You see? That is my fascia. Good. Let's see it on the video. So this is what it looks like. Like concrete fascia. This is how to draw your concrete fascia. Alright guys, that will be all for now. I want you to try these steps out and drop a comment where you don't understand. I believe you should understand the steps. And in my next video, I will be showing you how to put columns, put steps, and then your roof plan. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.